Java application development here. Okay, Java application development. Then see here we'll consider this will be comes under full stack Java developer. It means full stack. It means like the backend we are going to use here Java, and then front end at the end we are going to use here React.js, but it will be like followed by HTML5, JavaScript, CSS, Bootstrap, and then React.js. And the database we are using here MySQL. Yeah, and if our client permits, then we'll prefer to use PostgreSQL also. But mostly initial, I will start with the MySQL, and later we'll go to the PostgreSQL also. Then if you are aware of any SQL, then easily you will be able to work on MySQL, Postgres, Oracle, SQL Server, right? Yeah. Then see the high level curriculum. The full stack it means backend. We are using here Java, and Java version we are using here JDK 17. And yes, we are going to somehow framework as well in upcoming sessions like Spring Boot. And the front end we are using here React.js. React it means you can simply say this is like JavaScript library. It will help us to build the reusable UI components. And database wise, initially we'll start with the MySQL, but later we'll migrate this application into PostgreSQL. Then high level walkthrough I want to give in today's session. At the end, like what are the types of applications you will be able to develop. See, here I hope you are able to see the GST billing application we have available, right? Yeah. Then once you create the invoice, then at the end it will comes under this. You can simply consider one window, and here like if you want to search, filter, right, sort, then such activities we are going to perform here. And after that we are going to introduce here new functionality. It will be audit and report. Then I want to explain this functionality. Like everyone have bank account, right? In bank account what are type of activities you are doing there? uh, there is you are able to deposit money, then transfer, add beneficiary, delete beneficiary, then apply the loans, apply the for credit cards, right? Such number of activities. But mostly day to day what are the type of activities you require there? Like you are going to check your statement there, right? Same activity we are going to perform in our application as well. Like end user, it means our client, they want to like check what is the like profit within single month, right? Then here we are going to get the invoice by monthly. Yeah, you can simply say quarterly also, right? Yeah, annual you can simply consider. And one more we have option available here. You can simply give the custom date. Custom date it means like start date and to date here. Start it means you can simply say whatever. Suppose if you want to check the custom date here, right? Suppose I'm going to check today and my end date it will be 31st, right? Then once we are checking like how many invoices generated, then we are able to test it. But mostly future we are not going to do. Always we are going to check the backend backdated date, like 1st of January to today's date 21st of January, right? Then such a type of like activities we are going to perform under our audit and reporting module. Then you will be working on like such a type of activities in upcoming days. But at least for first 45 days I will train you in this technology, and then accordingly you are going to contribute with my team and going to work on live project. And there you will get the chance to work on Spring Boot as well, like Java side, and the front end React.js. And yes, database wise any SQL, like we're happy. Then coming to for today's session, see, today we'll start with the Java. Then what is Java? Java it is a very high level object oriented. They rename Java as a work as a Java in 1995. See, Java it is a very high level object oriented programming language. Java it is a very high level object oriented programming language. Java, there is some history. Like Java comes in 1991. In 1991, they just started the Java development, right? In 1991, they started development of Java language, and first version released in 1996. But initially, they given the name as Oak. Later, they rename as Java in 1995. See, Java development started in 1991. The project name is Green Project. Under the organization is Sun Microsystem, and James Gosling leading the team actually. He given the name as Oak because Oak is very popular tree in US actually. And later they renamed as Java in 1995. Why they rename as Java? The reason behind that, Oak is already a registered trademark of Oak technology. If you want to check, I will show on live screen here. See, Oak technologies, if you are going to check, established in 1987. You can simply check the Wikipedia. Otherwise, there will be available like founded in 1987. I'm just checking here as well. But if you want to check on Wikipedia, see, here you will be able to see there is available all the information, right? Work technology established in 1987. See, that's why James want unique name. This is the reason they changed Oak as a Java in 1995. But why Java and the symbol is coffee cup? Behind that, there is some fun history. At the time of Java application development, like Java language development, they want some refreshment. Then James and team, they taking coffee frequently, and this coffee coming from Iceland country. And the city name is Java. That's why they given the name as Java and choose the symbol as coffee cup. Like in fun history, we are going to consider this part. Same happen in India as well, right? If you want some refreshment, you are taking chai frequently. Like we are saying, India runs on chai. Same happen with James and team. For refreshment, they're taking the coffee frequently. That's why they choose the name as Java and the symbol is coffee cup. Then see, now coming to next, why Java so popular? Because of its good features. Then first feature, Java is the first programming language. Is platform independent programming language. Platform independent programming language. That's called, you can simply say WORA. Write once, run anywhere. It means, suppose if I am using here Windows operating system and some of my friends they are using Sun Solaris, some of these they are using Mac, some they are using Linux. Then this Windows program, it will be work with different platform, different environment. Platform, it means you can simply say operating system. Then Java, it is a operating system independent programming language. Now coming to next, Java is very simple. Like if you are aware of the C++, easily you are able to grasp the Java syntax as well. Coming to next, Java is very secure. I want to give here best example of security. See, whatever banking application, finance application, trading application, they are always require the more security because they are performing some transactions like finance transactions. For that perspective, I want to give here one real-time example. We'll simply come up with Google, and here I'm just going to open University of Pune website. Once you are checking this website, it's showing not secure. Not secure, it means they are not using the HTTPS, right? They're just using here HTTP. See, if you are coming here, see HTTP available there. But simultaneously, if you are going to check here, like ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, a Bank of America, right? I'm checking here ICICI Net Banking. Then see, once we open it, then the URL here start with HTTPS. HTTPS, it means this is secure, you can simply say, right? Same example, I want to check with the other countries like Bank of America. See, the Bank of America, they also, here is available key. Same key available for your ICICI Bank as well. See my mouse pointer, right? Yeah. It means those are the secure site available there. See, here again, I'm adding the Bank of America site. Then whatever banking site you are able to see HTTPS, it means those are the secure. And whatever University of Pune, they are not dealing with the transactions, right? That's why they are using here HTTP only. Then this yes, it means secure cell. That's called SSL certificate. And this SSL certificate developed in Java language only. That's why you can simply say Java provides more security as compared to Python, PHP, .NET. Now coming to next, Java is object oriented. There are available 4 pillars like abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance. Upcoming sessions will go into those concepts as well. Then fifth, Java is multi-threading programming language. Multi-threading, it means more than one thread simultaneously comes into execution. They will execute at the same time. Multi-threading, it will help us to like consume the less memory and save our time as also. Same thing, your operating system also multiprocessing. And best example, you also doing the multitask day to day, right? Yes. Then same Java also our multi-threading programming language. Now coming to 6th number feature, Java is robust. Robust, it means strong in architecture, strong in nature. It means after thousands of years also, your Java application, it will give us the good performance. Now coming to 7th, Java is distributed programming language. Distributed, it means it easily supports to cloud platform. Whatever Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook applications we are using, those also distributed. It means deployed on cloud and worldwide, anyone they will be able to access it. Same type of applications we are going to develop in upcoming sessions. Then coming to next, Java is, you can simply say dynamic. Dynamic, it means it will allow us to do runtime changes. And 9th, Java application always give us the high performance. High performance. See, best example, always in industry, in corporates, we require the good performance, right? Then as compared to Python, PHP.NET, right? Java application always give us the high performance. That's why Java is so popular in market. Then today's session, I just want to go ahead with the HelloWorld application. Okay, we'll go ahead with the HelloWorld application here. HelloWorld.java. For that application perspective, what are the steps you need to follow? First step, you can simply come up with the Chrome browser and type here JDK17 download. And once you are coming here, then simply open the first site here. This is the URL actually. This URL I will share with you. And if you are coming slowly down, there is available Windows x64 installer. And simply download the exe file here for JDK17. I will add the same link in our chat box and go ahead with the next, and then do finish. Eclipse part we'll see in next session. Today's session we are just going to use JDK17 and we are going to run this application by using command prompt. Then once you install your JDK17, then open your My Computer. Windows is shortcut key for that actually to open the My Computer. Simply type here cmd and use Java-version. And if you are able to see the version Java 17 is there, and LTS it means long-term support actually. It means like the installation part is done for Java 17. Then you can simply create the one folder in your local disk, any drive. Now I'm just giving here folder name as January 25 enter. See, I just created the one folder here. You can give any folder name here and then simply right click there and here you will be able to see new text document. Otherwise, if you are not able to see such options, you can simply go to Windows button and type Notepad. See, this is the like system Notepad for all the operating systems available. Then open this Notepad, and once you open this Notepad, then here we are just creating new Java class. For that perspective, first we'll save the file, and this file we are going to save under which folder? Whatever folder we have created. I hope we are given the folder name as January 25 intern. Then here the application name I'm giving HelloWorld.java, and any programming language if you want to learn, you can start with the Hello World actually. Okay, and then always class first letter must be capital, and the extension we are giving here .java. Now simply click on save. See, our application is saved successfully here, right? Then now we'll simply go ahead and create our Java Hello World application. That's why I'm writing here program like public class. This will be Hello World. Yeah, this will be our open curly brace. It means our class scope will be start from here actually. Okay, now I am writing here main method. For that perspective, I am writing the main method as public. This will be static void main string arguments. See, and inside that we are just going to write the printing statement. Then printing statement we are going to write here. This will be system.out.println, and here we are giving welcome to VDI Pune. See, I just use Ctrl S shortcut key to save our Java application. See, here this is our class name like Hello World. This is the scope of our entire class actually. This is the scope of our main method. Whatever you are able to see, right? Yeah. Scope, it means once it start open curly brace, right? And once it goes to close, it means this is the scope actually. Same for class and same for method as well. Then hello world, this is our class name, and class first letter always must be capital. Same like process you need to follow in our project also. Then public, it means this is our access modifier actually. We have separate session available for access modifier in upcoming sessions. And class, it means it's a predefined template. It is a collection of objects, variables, and method. And hello world, this is our class name, and class first letter must be start with capital letter. Now coming to next, main method always declare as a public static and void, and always at least one main method we required within our application. Then and then we are able to run as Java application there in Eclipse, right? Yeah. But today we just started with the notepad only. Then here string of array arguments, it means this is used for storage perspective. Public, again, this is our access modifier. Static, it is a reserved keyword actually. If you declare any method with static, then if you want to call within main method, then you not need to create the object to call within main method. Void is a return type, it does not return any single thing. And main is our method name. Method always start with the lowercase. Now coming to printing statement, here we have available system.out.println. System is a Java class. Class first letter must be capital. Out is the object coming from printstream class. Println is a method coming from printstream class only. And here we are trying to print welcome to Vidya Pune. Now tell me how to run this Java application. Anyone have any idea about that? How to run this simple Hello World application? See, here you are able to see the source code. It means there is available Java logo, right? That's called our Java source file. How to run the Java application here in Notepad? Command prompt. Anyone have? Don't require to set the path actually nowadays because it's very advanced level, right? You can simply use CMD. It will open the command prompt, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Once you open the command prompt, then you can simply use Java and give your application name. Here you can just, we have only one file, right? You can directly press the tab button. Each day I will give you some shortcut key as well. Okay. Now you are able to see I given the here like command Java, then HelloWorld.java. HelloWorld.java, this is our file name, right? Just hit enter. It will give us the output. It means nowadays we don't require the Java compiler as well to see the output, correct? This is like very advanced features are in Java 11. That's why we're using Java 17 here, because whatever features in Java 14, 16, the 8, 11, all features we are going to learn in upcoming sessions. And now you are able to see the output here. Welcome to Vidya Pune. And if you want to check here, we don't have any .class file also, correct? Till we are able to see the output. Now, if I want to change here, Ventures Digital India, Ventures Digital India, and then comma separated, I am giving here Pune. Then also it will give us the output here. Welcome to Venture Digital India Pune. See on screen. Again, I'm just trying to run our Java application by using command prompt. See, here is our output. This is what we are expected from Hello World application. But someone have some questions, sir, why we are not creating the class file? Yes, if you want to create the class file, you can simply use Java C, and then you can give your application name as HelloWorld.java. And once you are using Java C, it means Java compiler, it will convert HelloWorld.java into HelloWorld.class file. And see, here is the available class file. And class file content, we are not able to read it. Who is responsible to read those class file content? We have available Java interpreter. It will read this .class file content and it will give us the output in machine readable format. For that perspective, we are just using now Java. This is Java interpreter and give the hello world. That time you can don't mention any extension here. Just give Java hello world. It will give us you output as well. Then we have some time available. Then today I will go ahead with the Eclipse as well. No worries. I hope you got it right. How to create the hello world application by using Notepad. Any questions? Simply goes to Chrome and just type here Eclipse download. If you want to use IntelliJ, you can go ahead with the IntelliJ as well. Then see here you will get the option download the x86-64-bit operating system Eclipse, right? Then you can simply click on that. Once you click here, it will start with the downloading. Then Eclipse select x86-64-bit and click on download. It will start with the download. And once it started downloaded, then next step, you can simply double click on that Eclipse exe file and then you can go to the next. But whenever you are selecting the exact like version of our Eclipse, you can simply select for Eclipse for Java to EE developer. It means Web Enterprise Edition developer. I hope it coming as a second number option there. Then you can simply go ahead with the installation for Eclipse for Java to Enterprise Edition. It means web development. And once it done with the installation, the next step, you can simply go to Windows and open here Eclipse. See, Eclipse goes to open here. We need to wait for some time actually to see up and running it. In Eclipse also, we'll go ahead with the HelloWorld application, okay? For your batch, I'm just switching to other, and D drive, I already created the folder like Java development workspace, and under that I'm just giving January 2025. This will be intern. Yeah, it will switch to that particular workspace, and this is the empty workspace available there. If you are coming here, this will be the empty workspace in Eclipse. See, there is nothing, right? And now you can simply go to file, new, dynamic web project. And here application name I'm giving Java basics. See, our application is created successfully. Now simply come up with src main Java. You can simply right click new package. The package name I'm giving here com.vdi. You can simply say this is core. Com it means OS level core level package. VDI it means our company name Venture Digital India, and core it means we are learning the core Java. And package all letters always give the lowercase. Now right click on package, new Java class. The Java class name I'm giving here hello world. See, our class also created successfully here, but the font is very like small, right? Then if you want to increase the font size, goes to Windows preferences, the general appearance, there is available colors and fonts. You can simply come up with the basic. There is available text font. Anyway, this session we have recorded actually. You can simply check twice as well. Then click on OK, apply, and then apply and close. Then coming to next. Next is we are just going to add here main method. Then type here main. Then here you need to do control space, right? See, then main method is coming. But without doing the control space, I want to get auto suggestions there. Okay, whenever we are writing the main method, see, now auto suggestion is not populating here, right? For that perspective, you can simply come up with the Windows preferences. There is option available Java here. Then coming inside Java, there is available editor. Under editor, there is available content asset, and there is available auto activation triggers for Java. See, and after this dot, you can simply type A to Z. Perfect. Once you have given here A to Z letters, then simply click on apply, and then apply and close. See, now simply type main. It will give us the auto suggestions. Simply type sysout. It will give us the system.out.println. This is very faster development here actually. Again, I want to say welcome to VDI Pune. See, now how to run Java application? Simply run as Java application. See, it will give us the output. See, if you want to use here, simply click on run, and again you can say run as Java application. It will give us the output. Again, if you want to run this way, you can simply click on hello world. It will give us the output. If you want to use shortcut key, then you can simply use function F11. See, it will give us the output. Function F11 is the shortcut key to run the Java application by using keypad only. Okay. Then I want to explain this hello world in detail. See, this is the scope of our main class. This is the scope of our main method. The class name is hello world. Class first letter always must be capital. And class means it's a predefined template. It is a collection of objects, variables, and method. And public is access modifier. In Java, there is available 4 types of access modifier: private, default, protected, and public. We have separate session available for access modifier. Now simply understand here, our main class, it will be declared with the public access modifier. Public means access everywhere. Then coming to main method, method always start with the lowercase actually, and main method always declare with the public static void. Public it means access modifier. Then static, it is a reserved keyword. And once you declare any method as static, then you not need to create the object to call within main method. Void is a return type. It does not return a single thing. And main is our method name. Here string is a class coming from java.lang package. Seek means class, and class first letter must be capital. And here we are passing array of arguments. But if you don't want to write such a syntax, you can write such a syntax as well. Dot dot dot. And again, you can simply try run a Java application. It will give us the output. If you don't want to write such a way, you have one more option available here, right? Then simply try run as Java application. It will give us the output. And if you are coming here, we have available the printing statement system.out.println. Then system is a Java class coming from java.lang package, and .lang package by default available in Java. Now coming to out is the object coming from printstream class. Println is a method coming from printstream class only. Then object always start with the lowercase, method also start with the lowercase. And here we are trying to print something, right? Like welcome to Vidya Pune, we are just trying to print it. And simply do run a Java application, it will give us the output. Fine. Yeah, in this session, I hope that will be fine. Like we have started with the Java basics. Java, it is a very high level object oriented programming language. Java development started in 1991 in Sun Microsystem organization. The project name is Green Project, and James is leading the team actually. Initially, they given the name as Oak, but later they renamed as Java in 1995. Why? Because Oak is already a registered trademark of Oak technology, and James want unique name. That's why they rename as Java in 1995. But why Java and the symbol is coffee cup? Behind that, there is some funny history. Same example for India as well. If you want some refreshment, you are taking chai frequently. We are saying India runs on chai. Same happen with other country people. They're taking coffee frequently, right? The same scenario happened with James and team at the time of development of this language. They want some refreshment actually, right? Continuously they are working almost 8 to 9 hours, right? They want some refreshment. They're taking coffee frequently. This coffee coming from the Iceland country, the city name is Java. That's why they choose the name as Java. The symbol is coffee cup. This is funny history behind that. Why Java so popular? Because of its features actually. The number of features already we have seen here, right? Yeah. And here we have started with the HelloWorld application. Then next session, we'll go ahead with how to create the method and how to apply with those methods within our main method as well. And then slowly we'll go ahead with the control statement, control flow, and then we'll start with the oops concept. Then day of first only we have started with the practical approach. And if you are facing any difficulties doing the practical assessment, right, then feel free to ping me on Skype.